So let us see the second part of the previous example. Once we have proved that this plane is tangential, we have to find the point of contact P of the plane with the sphere. So P, if I want to find, I'll write down the equation of line CP in general form and get the values of x, y, z in terms of k, and then find the value of k so that the point P will be obtained. So let me write down the equation of line CP. CP is normal to the plane. So what is the equation of plane? 4x minus 3y plus 6z minus 35 is equal to 0. So what are the direction ratios of its normal? 4, minus 3 and 6. CP is normal. So 4, minus 3 and 6 are the direction ratios of CP. Another way to find the direction ratios of CP is if xyz is any point on this line CP, then x minus 0, y minus half, z minus 1 will be other direction ratios. So this equation in symmetrical form will be compared to a constant k, so that x becomes 4k plus 0, that is 4k, y becomes minus 3k plus half, and z becomes 6k plus 1. So x, y, z, any point on line CP looks like this. But I want to find P. Where is P lying? It is lying on the sphere as well as on the plane. If I put the point P in equation of sphere, it's a degree 2 equation. So it will become complicated to solve. Hence, we will put the value of P to be in the equation of plane. So if this x, y, z has to be P, then it has to also lie on the plane. So x is 4k, so I'll put in place of x 4k. So 4 into 4k minus 3 into y is minus 3k plus half, and plus 6 into z, that is 6k plus 1 should be 35, because it is minus 35 is equal to 0. Simplifying this, you will get the value of k. So what is that k? It is 16k, then here it is 9k, and it is 36k. So 16 plus 9 is 25, 25 plus 36 is 61. So it is 61k. Then constant term is minus half plus 6, minus 3 by 2 plus 6. Simplifying that, we will get the value of k. I am simplifying. You try to simplify this because of less space. I will directly write down the value of k. It turns out to be, the value of k turns out to be on simplification equal to half. This equation has to be simplified and you get k is equal to half. Therefore your point P will now become equal to 4 into half, that is 2. Then minus 3 by 2 plus half, so minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. And then 6 by 2, that is 3 plus 1, 4. So your point P becomes 2 minus 4 minus 1, 4, which is obtained by using the equation of normal to the tangent plane.